2.
Hey guys, Josh here with Clarks Hill Marina. I was going to give you a quick rundown of this 2006 Tahoe 215cc that we got in on trade. It comes equipped with your 2 fishing seats at the front. You do have a swim step. You've got your live well right here. You've got another live well right there. You've got an 80-pound 80-pound thrust 24-volt trolling motor at the front. Storage under the front right here, under the floor, under both seats, up under the helm. If you get out in the water, you're fishing, you get a little grime on your hands, it does have your little wash station right here. So you've got a little sink, little wash station. Get cleaned up while you're still in the water. You've got cup holders all the way around it. You've got rod storage on both sides, storage up under the back, and you do have another swim step back here. Your ski tow pylon, rod holders, some storage over here. You've got a spot for another fishing seat. It does come equipped with a Mercury Optimax 150 horsepower motor, full gauge display at the helm, brand new radio. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like running, you're going to get a real smooth ride out of it. So it's going to be good for skiing, fishing. You know, it's going to be a good do-all kind of boat for you and your family. So if you need a good all-around boat for you and your family to get out on the lake this summer, come by and see us at Clarks Hill Marina out here in Appleton, Georgia, 4271 Old Lincolnton Road.